Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to my channel where all I do is crochet. If you want to find me on other places other than YouTube, you can follow my Instagram here. I post all of my crochet outfits and patterns that I create, and I also repost all of the things that you guys send me or other crochet creations, knit creations that people make. In this video, I will be making a skirt. It is different from the tennis skirt that I made, but similar construction because making a skirt is fairly simple and kind of the same. And I will be making a rainbow skirt for Pride Month because it is Pride Month, and I am actually making an entire outfit. I made a top already. It's a tube top. Let me show you. I have it here. It goes around like this. Well, it's upside down. Goes around you like that, and it's actually a button down or button up type of tube top, and then I added some fluffiness at the top and the bottom. And I will show you pictures of the entire outfit at the end of the video, but this is just the video of the skirt. It's just a crochet with me, so come along and crochet with me. Hey, I know I haven't been speaking. I'm outside. You can probably hear a lot of loud stuff out here, but ignore that. But my pride hook came in. My Furls pride hook. Look at this. Let's see if it'll. Okay, it's not doing what it's supposed to do, but this is mine. 4mm hook. Of course, my sister, the one you saw crocheting next to me, she, Mr. Bobbin, got a 4.5. So like you can see, hers is literally slightly bigger than mine. It's crazy how a half a step is like such a huge difference. But yeah, she crochets with 4.5. I crochet with 4. So this is what I'm gonna crochet with now, because hello, pride hook, pride skirt, like it's just perfect. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video. Let me show you some pictures that I took, some by myself, some with my sisters as well, because they did their own pride outfit, and I think all of ours turned out very cute, very colorful. And just remember guys, Pride Month is more than just rainbows, but it is also fun to create things that are very colorful like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I will be making a pattern for the skirt, but it'll be a plain skirt, and I'll do a tutorial on that so that you guys can have access to what I create as well. And remember, if you want any other patterns, my link to my shop is down below. It is kopydolls.com. You can find so many different patterns by me and by my sisters as well. And remember to subscribe if you want, like it if you want, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Bye!